आणि खंय लायन घालूंक मेळटा जाल्यार घालूं कोणाक भायर घालना पयले एक 7 दीस राव आनी फाल्यांच्यान
आमी लोकांचे डिमांड आसल्या त्या प्रमाणे लोकूय आमचो जे मार्केट बंद आसा म्हणजे व्यापारी आसले तांकांय पोट संवसार म्हणजे आपले कशें पोट चलोवपाचें टेंशन आसलें लोकांकूय फ्रेश भाजी मेळची म्हणून पयलीं आमी भाजयेचें आमी जाग्यार घातलें ताका सेफ डिस्टन्सींग मार्कींग करून आमी आतां बरें सिस्टमॅटीक थंय लोकांक भाजी वरायटी ऑफ लोकल भाजी मेळटा फ्रुट्सूय मेळटा तशेंच नुस्तेकारांचो डिमांड आसलो की आमकांय हें करा लोकांचो डिमांड आसलो आमकां नुस्तें मेळना तुम्ही पयलें आसलें लोक गाडी घेवन येता खंयच्या खंय रेट हें करून रेटीचेर कंट्रोल नासलो आनी लोकांक ते म्हणजे चॉयस नासल्या कारणान ते घेवचें पडटालें म्हणून आमी आज एक ओन्ली 55 आमी दोनूच लायन या तुम्ही पयले आसतले 2 लायन चालू करतले बॅरिकेड्स आमी ऑलरेडी काम चालू आसा बॅरिकेड्स घालतले सकाळीं 6 ते 1 मार्केट चालू आसतलें लोकांक आमचो रिक्वेस्ट आसा की तेंच्यांनी बेश्टीच गर्दी करची न्ही लोक कोणी नुस्तें व्हरपाक तेंच्यांनी एकटोच येवचो एक आपले 2 जाणांक घेवन जावं फॅमिलीक घेवन हांगा येवचें न्ही आनी सोशल डिस्टन्सींग मेंटेन करून नुस्तें खरेदी करचें आमी नुस्तेकारांकूय सांगलां कितें करपाचें कशें बसपाचें तें सांगलां आनी आतां कमिशनरान सांगलां अशें सगळे आमचे इन्स्पेक्टर पुलिसूय आसतले हांगासर सगळे तांकां मॉनिटर करपाक आनी मागता लोकां कडेन अपील करता की सगळें सिस्टमॅटीक लोकांक करचें लोकांच्या सोयी खातीर केलां आनी आमची गोंयकार जी नुस्तेकारां आसलीं तांकांय पोट भरपा खातीर तांचो हें करचें फक्त गोंयकारांक आमी आज तांकां पयलो हें दिलां आमी प्रायोरिटी दिली आनी फक्त 55 लोकांक दिलां फुडें कशें आसा तें पण फीश कटींग एलाव करतले मागीर चिकनाचें बी मागीर आमी स्टेप बाय स्टेप आमी मागीर फुडें एलाव करतले विकपाक
कितें ऑर्डर दिलो
we have made some arrangements to start the fish sale with proper distancing and proper arrangements where people can queue up and then they can buy the essential fish items in a proper systematic manner. So there will be 2 queues and from tomorrow we have allowed first phase of these vendors to sit.
So how many fish vendors are there in the market?
At the moment we have allowed around 55 fish vendors to sit with
Timing
proper social distancing.
Timing
we will open the market at 6 AM and close it at 1 PM.
So what about the fish cutting? Will be allowed over here?
At the moment no other activity other than sale of fish will be allowed. We have done a systematic process of opening all essential commodities. We have given the vegetable vendors of the market the first priority. We have done a lot of social distancing and we have stabilized sale of vegetables by the vendors who are inside the market. Our second phase is opening of fish vendors, which we are starting tomorrow. After that we will slowly go to meats and fish cutting and other activities. As of now fish cutting is not that essential. Sale of fish is essential. People who catch fish are not being able to sell their product. We are going to start it now. Fish cutting and all, everything will be opened in a phased manner.
So what about the monitoring? Who is going to monitor this? About the social distance?
Just like how we have monitored vegetable vendors, there will be a team of municipal inspectors and local police who will guide it. We expect people to cooperate with us, to stand in queue, allow social distancing and in a systematic, orderly, disciplined manner kindly avail of the service. This is a service for all. Any indiscipline, crowding will only make this service closed down for public.
So do you think after declaring the Goa as a green zone, Panjim is back to the normal?
The idea is to bring normalcy into economic activity in Panji, but it cannot just open as a floodgate opening. Staggered opening is what the municipality is trying to achieve. Kindly help us in this staggered opening. And if proper discipline is maintained, the staggered opening will then get benefits to people themselves and people will get more and more activities open.
So